Engaging listening comprehension activity. Master English fast with real sounds and speak confidently.
Only 1% can score a perfect 100%. Are you one of them? Fun and engaging listening comprehension activity. Hello, welcome dear learners. Good day and greetings. I'm Teacher Waleed and I'm here to help you speak English fluently and confidently. With Ruaa Infinite, learning English is just a click away. Reliable, effective, and fast learning. Whether you're learning for daily life, business, or IELTS, we have everything you need to succeed. Discover over 1,500 essential vocabulary words, grammar tips, and expert lessons designed just for you. Designed to help you succeed, this program is your perfect companion. Whether you're just starting or aiming for fluency, this guide will supercharge your English journey one exciting step at a time. Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. At Ruaa Infinite, we focus on real-life English skills, so you can speak, listen, read, and write with confidence. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, traveling, or improving your career, we've got the right lessons for you. Our lessons cover daily conversations, grammar, pronunciation, and business English to help you succeed in any situation. Plus, we offer IELTS preparation like never before, so you can achieve the score you deserve. Got questions about learning English? Ask us and we'll do our best to answer as soon as possible. Only 1% can score a perfect 100%. Are you one of them? The ultimate English question challenge. Can you beat it? Only the bravest learners will survive this. Get ready for a massive challenge with 155 thought-provoking questions designed to push your limits in grammar, vocabulary, listening, idioms, logic, and more. Think you're fluent in English? Prove it. Write your answers in the comments and show the world you're part of the top 1%. Welcome to a special English listening practice brought to you by Ruaa Infinite and your dedicated teacher, Waleed. I'm one of Ruaa Infinite's expert English teachers, here to help you build real skills and speak English fluently and confidently. This activity is not just any practice. It's an intensive, fun, and engaging listening experience to test your focus, memory, and English knowledge. You will sharpen your listening comprehension, strengthen your logic and vocabulary, and grow your confidence in real-life English situations. With Ruaa Infinite by your side, success is just a click away. Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. Instructions. Listen carefully. This recording will be played only once. After listening, answer each question by choosing the correct answer, A, B, C, or D. Some questions may have two correct answers, and occasionally, the answer could be not given if the information isn't mentioned in the audio. Take notes, stay focused, and challenge yourself to complete all 155 questions. This is your moment to shine. Are you ready? The challenge is split into 3 parts. Part 1, questions 1 to 50. Part 2, questions 51 to 100. Part 3, questions 101 to 155. Let's begin the Ultimate English Question Challenge, brought to you by Ruaa Infinite. All right now, answer the following questions. Question 1. Which of these are important qualities of a good friend? A. Trust. B. Dishonesty. C. Loyalty. D. Betrayal. Question 2. Which one is an outdoor activity? A. Reading a book. B. Watching TV. C. Playing football. D. Sleeping. Question 3. What do you use to see things clearly? A. Scissors. B. Glasses. C. Fork. D. Pillow. Question 4. Where can you find lots of things to shop? A. Grocery. B. Supermarket. C. Restaurant. D. Library. Question 5. Which of these is a healthy beverage? Is it water, soda, energy drink, or milkshake? Question 6. What do you call a person who flies an airplane? Mechanic, pilot, teacher, or farmer? Question 7. What is the opposite of happy? Sad, excited, angry, or not given? Question 8. What do bees make? Butter, honey, milk, or ice cream? Question 9. Which of these are signs of a humble friend? A. Always boasting about achievements. B. Respecting others' opinions. C. Listening carefully. Or D. Only helping when they expect something in return. Question 10. Where are fish found? A. Sky. B. Water. C. Desert. Or D. Forest. Moving on, here are the next set of questions. Question 11. What do you wear on your head to protect from the sun? Hat, gloves, scarf, or shoes? Question 12. Which of these animals can hop? A. Sheep, B. Snail, C. Turtle, or D. Kangaroo? Question 13. What do people use to take pictures? A. Camera, B. Hammer, C. Broom, or D. Smartphone? Question 14. What do you do with an umbrella? A. Eat it, B. Ride it, C. Use it in the rain, or D. Sleep on it? Question 15. What do people wear to go swimming? A. Jeans, B. Jacket, C. Boots, or D. Swimsuit? Question 16. What can you put on a sandwich? A. Bread, B. Shoes, C. Butter, or D. Pencil? Question 17. Which of these actions show kindness in friendship? A. Helping a friend in need, B. Ignoring their problems, C. Laughing at their mistakes, or D. Encouraging them to succeed? Question 18. What do you use to rest your head while sleeping? A. Scissors, B. Glasses, C. Fork, or D. Pillow? Question 19. Where can you find lots of books to borrow? A. Hospital, B. Supermarket, C. Restaurant, or D. Library? Question 20. What do people use to wash their hands? Soap, chalk, newspaper, or remote control? Almost there. Here are the ongoing questions. Question 21. What do you call a person who teaches students? Mechanic, pilot, teacher, or farmer? Question 22. What is the opposite of sad? A. Happy, B. Excited, C. Angry, or D. Not given? Question 23. What do cows make? A. Butter, B. Honey, C. Milk, or D. Ice cream? Question 24. Which of these is a musical instrument? A. Violin, B. Basketball, C. Laptop, or D. Chair? Question 25. Where do monkeys live? A. Sky, B. Forest, C. Desert, or D. Water? Question 26. What do you call a person who writes books? A. Doctor, B. Chef, C. Engineer, or D. Author? Question 27. What do people use to tell time? Clock, spoon, glasses, or chair? Question 28. Where do people go to watch movies? Cinema, gym, school, or library? Question 29. What do you call the season after summer? Winter, spring, autumn, or monsoon? Question 30. What is the capital city of Indonesia? A. London, B. Berlin, C. New York, or D. Jakarta? Question 31. Which of these is a type of weather? A. Sunny, B. Cloudy, C. Rainy, D. All of the above? Question 32. What do you call the device used to capture photographs? A. Camera, B. Telescope, C. Microscope, D. Binoculars? Question 33. Which of these is a type of beverage? A. Coffee, B. Tea, C. Juice, D. All of the above? Question 34. What do you use to write on a whiteboard? A. Chalk, B. Marker, C. Pen, D. Pencil? Question 35. Which of these is a type of transportation? A. Car, B. Bicycle, C. Airplane, D. All of the above? Question 36. What do you call the process of preparing food by applying heat? A. Painting, B. Cooking, C. Writing, D. Reading? Question 37. Which of these is a type of clothing? A. Shirt, B. Pants, C. Jacket, D. All of the above? Question 38. What do you use to boil water? A. Refrigerator, B. Kettle, C. Toaster, D. Blender? Question 39. What do you call a baby cat? A. Puppy, B. Kitten, C. Calf, or D. Cub? Question 40. Which of these is a primary color? A. Green, B. Purple, C. Red, or D. Orange? Question 41. What do you use to measure time? A. Thermometer, B. Ruler, C. Clock, D. Scale? Question 42. Which of these is a type of weather? A. Sunny, B. Hungry, C. Sleepy, or D. Thirsty? Question 43. What do you call the device used to change TV channels? A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Remote control, or D. Joystick? Question 44. Which of these is a mammal? A. Shark, B. Dolphin, C. Octopus, or D. Trout? Question 45. What do you use to post an email? A. Computer, B. Microwave, C. Washing machine, or D. Laptop? Question 46. Which of these is a day of the week? A. January, B. Monday, C. April, or D. December? Question 47. What do you call the liquid that comes from cows? A. Juice, B. Water, C. Milk, or D. Soda? Question 48. Which of these is a punctuation mark? A. Comma, B. Letter, C. Number, or D. Word? Question 49. What do you use to call someone far away? A. Telephone, B. Calculator, C. Printer, or D. Mobile? Question 50. Which of these is a vegetable? A. Banana, B. Carrot, C. Apple, or D. Potato? Gap 3S, and that's the end of the listening comprehension test. All rights reserved to Ruaa Infinite. One does it all. Learning English is just a click away. Reliable, effective, and fast. Visit our website at ruaainfinite.com and master English with ease. Thank you for your attention. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop improving your English. Got a question about English? Ask us anytime and we'll respond right away. Join our English Students Hub and connect with learners worldwide. We provide resources for all levels, from beginners to advanced. Your English journey starts now. Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. But that's not all. Ruaa Infinite is more than just learning. Shop unique products and books, or promote your business and services to a global audience. Discover our offerings. Main website at ruaainfinite.com, hot deals at ruaainfinite.com/hot-deals, and browse educational materials and more at ruaainfinite.com/shop. If you find benefit in our work, please share it with your friends, family, and anyone eager to learn. Let's grow together with care and dedication. With Ruaa Infinite by your side, success is always within reach, one humble step at a time.
Engaging listening comprehension activity. Master English with these powerful tips. Improve fast and speak confidently. Hello. Good day and greetings. I'm Teacher Waleed Rizk, and I'm here to help you speak English fluently and confidently. With Ruaa Infinite, learning English is simple, effective, and fun. Whether you're learning for daily life, business, or IELTS, we have everything you need to succeed. Discover over 1,500 essential vocabulary words, grammar tips, and expert lessons designed just for you. Designed to help you succeed. Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. At Ruaa Infinite, we focus on real-life English skills so you can speak, listen, read, and write with confidence. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, traveling, or improving your career, we've got the right lessons for you. Our lessons cover daily conversations, grammar, pronunciation, and business English to help you succeed in any situation. About learning English? Ask us, and we'll do our best to answer as soon as possible. Join our English Students Hub and practice with students worldwide. Get instant support, share experiences, and improve together in an engaging online community. One does it all. Learning English with Ruaa Infinite is just a click away, reliable, effective, and fast. Just check it out at ruaainfinite.com. Tip 1.